To draw an octopus's tentacle, you're going to need a pencil and a pen and an eraser, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. Well, I'm going to start by having this kind of wavy line, and I'm not pressing very hard because if you press too hard, you're not going to be able to erase it later. And I'm going to bring that round in a nice curl like that. And then we're going to want a second one, which is kind of the body of the tentacle, and this wants to be getting thinner and thinner and thinner, and actually no, I'm getting the wrong one, so this wants to be getting thinner and thinner and thinner, and just sort of coming around, and then maybe just a little curl at the end there. And then we want the third one, which is going to come underneath like this, and that's going to come up around there. Don't press hard, you're going to have to erase these pencil lines later. Now the next thing is to draw these ellipses, and they can just go slightly over the line like that, and we'll just kind of work our way up the line here, and they will get smaller as you go, and then that will get to about there, and then here they're just going to sort of become little blobs like that. In between we want to draw extra ones sort of like that, so start round about there and get that in between. So this side needs to be kind of a pretty much the same line as the ones that you've done already, and they're getting smaller too, like that. So I am going to start by inking in this great long curve, and take your time. Oh, I've gone a bit adrift there. This is quite a difficult one to do, but that's all right, don't worry about it, and leave it like that. So because I made a little mistake, I'm gonna bring that around sort of to there, and then we're going to have these bits on there. So I'm going to draw these inner suckers first like that, and in fact you can draw them so that they don't quite meet, if you like, and maybe even put little dots in the middle like that, and just kind of work your way up the inside of the tentacles. Right, let's leave it like that. Next we're going to want to do these ones, and some of these are going to be kind of hidden behind, so we can sort of come in behind like that, and in there too, and then that's going to come kind of hiding behind there, and then now we're going to sort of reach this kind of side view now, really. So we're just going to see the sort of side view of these tentacle suckers. These bits are, aren't they? And we want to kind of make it look quite sort of organic and smooth, so we can just have these little bits like that there. Then we can draw behind. So this is the kind of the outer edge of the tentacle, and that's going to sort of come in kind of round about there, and then we can draw this part in too, and that wants to sort of come around to join up about there. Now when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase, I was going to say those tentacles. Now you can erase the pencil lines like that, and then we want to draw the sucky bit. So these are going to be, let's think if we do something like that. So we want to draw this, it's like a letter C, but it's towards this side of it, and then a little extra curve. So a little C, and so a C and a flip back basically, and then we come all the way back like that. Now while I'm drawing these in, if you've got this far and you enjoyed this video, then please do make sure you're subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Click that subscribe button, and please click the like button as well, and that means other people will know that you enjoyed this and that they can come and enjoy it too. Now I think we can maybe put a little bit of kind of shade just down the side of these tentacles there, just to give it a little bit of sort of shape to them, like that. And then we can put some spots on here. So I'm going to draw these sort of half spots along the edge, which will give us an idea of sort of how to work this, and then sort of half spots along there, and it's half spots in between, and then we can maybe put some sort of blobby bits in between, and you can just shade those in. And while I'm doing this and taking my time, if you've gone this far, you obviously really like drawing, so why not come and join me on Patreon, and you can help me keep making these videos. Find the link up above here. And then just to add that little bit extra, we could maybe just put a bit of shading in these suckers, just kind of about there. And if you can't fit 2 little marks, then just fit 1, and they'll be sort of around like that. And then they will also have a little bit of shading on the side of them like that, and that will just help them sort of stand out that little bit more. Erase those last bits of pencil, and then you can add a little bit of motion in there as well, so a little bit of wiggliness. And there you go, how to draw an octopus's tentacle. Thanks for watching, and do make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.